YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing video to do. You guys can check them out. My Amazon affiliate link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get one of these in no time. Hopefully, everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Now, this might be a new project I might start doing. I've been debating the last few years if I wanted to do one, but now I think I should. Here we go, guys. This is coming from, I think it's Choice. This is a 240 CPU integrated water cooling radiator with colorful breathing side effect. So this is definitely a nice one to get. So PC build 101. It's that time. I guess I'm gonna start doing it. I got to order my case and a few other goodies, and we'll get it going. Copper base for easy heat conduction. Low noise design. 240 radiator. This is gonna be sweet. So I get 2 fans, the tubing, pure copper base pump, and this. Oh boy, here we go, guys. If I could open it, here we go. So this is what you get in the box. The manual. Nuts and bolts right in here. Here's one of the fans. Here's another fan. Here's a tubing and a brass copper. Oh boy, I don't get it out. Let me get this. Oh, okay, it's connected. Here's a vent. There we go. On the backs. Got some shine to it. There's a tubing. So now he's got to go look for a casing and start this venture. Should be exciting. But this is a good way to start. At least get one thing out of the way first. And then I'll be definitely starting to build my PC with AM Choice. But link will be down below. Check them out. YouTubers, you guys be safe. Have a good night and see you guys soon.